ऋषभ कर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड इंटेंसिटी वाला पार्ट फर्स्ट, देन कैपेसिटेंस एंड पोटेंशियल. Revision of electrostatics. Can you suggest me charges are quantized or they are non-quantized?
The quantized.
Quantized means what? It will be integral multiple of electron. Lost means plus, gained means minus. That is called charges are quantized. What is sum of all the charges? Conserved or not conserved?
Conserved.
Conserved means it remains constant. So when you touch two spheres, after touching, Q1 dash will be R1 upon R1 plus R2 of total charge, and Q2 will become R2 upon R1 plus R2 of total charge. Okay? Hello?
Yes.
If radius is same, then it will become half of total charge, half of total charge. After touching and separating two charged bodies, what will be nature of force? Nature of force? Repulsive. Okay? Repulsive. Yes, write down this much. Hello? हाँ मैडम, नहीं हुआ अभी तक. कहाँ पे भिजवाना मैडम? अच्छा अच्छा, ओके. हाँ हाँ हाँ, जाएगा 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 जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ हाँ हाँ, अच्छा नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ 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 हाँ, अच्छा, हाँ, ओके. यश वर्मा. अच्छा, हाँ. कहाँ पे जाना है सर? अच्छा ठीक है, भेज दूंगा सर. अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक. हाँ हाँ, ओके. हाँ हाँ रुपये जी, हाँ भिजवाते हैं भिजवाते हैं। हाँ हाँ, मुझे रोहन अगर भेजता तो मैं इधर डाउनलोड कर देता हूँ। अच्छा हाँ, तो फोटो निकाल के भेज देगा तो मैं इधर। अच्छा अच्छा हाँ 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 ओके ओके ठीक है ठीक है यस हाँ ओके ओके ठीक ठीक है ओके ओके ठीक ठीक थैंक यू हाँ यस यस थैंक यू ओके अच्छा नहीं फिर मीटिंग करना पड़ेगा एक और। ठीक है हाँ 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 वही तो अभी बच्चों मैं एक मीटिंग रखता हूँ फिर एक्चुअली रखने ही वाला था कि जुलाई फर्स्ट वीक में रखना है। हाँ, मैं करता हूँ हाँ, हाँ। ठीक ठीक है सर ठीक है सर मैं आपको करता हूँ एक बाद में कॉल। ठीक है यस यस रिटर्न
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ओके फोर्थ हाँ एकदम बेसिक्स पूरा ही रिवाइज कर देता हूँ। व्हाट इज फोर्स फॉर्मूला 1/4 पाई और के Q1 Q2 अपॉन R स्क्वायर। आई थिंक दिस यू नो ना।
Yes, sir.
when charge capital Q is split into two charges, then for maximum force Q1 must be same as Q2 must be same as Q by 2. Okay, write
Yes.
this right now. yes आज लगा लोगे क्या तो सेकंड डोज क्या सेकंड डोज आ गया है वो जो भी फॉरेन जा रहे हैं बच्चे अभी उस कोई कारण का मुझे फोन था कि सर राजावाड़ी में एक भाग्यश्वरी मैडम है उनको मैं आपको मेरा कार्ड SMS करता हूँ वो दिखा देना तो हो जाएगा। और मैं भूल गया सुबह गया था हम दोनों ही थे और मम्मी को बोल देता हूँ 2:30 बजे आप पहुँचना है मम्मी भी आ जाएगी राजावाड़ी और आ सकते जल्दी कितना दिन हुआ हाँ तो पहले वाले में तो वही था ना। ठीक है चलेगा मम्मी को फोन कर मैं खुद ही करता हूँ रुको। एक्चुअली इतना कुछ घाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है इधर ही हो जाएगा। नहीं अभी राजावाड़ी रखा है पूरा जो भी फॉरेन जा रहे हैं उनके लिए बात कर लो आज चलेगा कितना जल्दी पूछो। डन ना हेलो
Yes.
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो ना एक बहुत ऐसा ट्रायंगल वाला रहता है। What will be net force here at this one vertex? If these forces are equal, then net force will become √3 times F1. Okay, because this angle is 60 degrees. And if at centroid we want, what is net force now at centroid? Zero, na?
Yes.
Zero. Copy this to then 4 charges ka we'll see.
Done.
If charges are at vertices, we want net force at any one vertex. So this two will repel each other. This will repel each other. This will repel each other. So if I call this as all, these two are equal, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
So force result of these two will be root 2 times these two. And this is F13 acting along the straight line. So can I say plus F13?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, again. आर्यन जूनियर, हेलो आर्यन,
यस सर,
और समझ रहा ना ये?
यस सर, यस सर.
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है.
Done, sir.
Okay. For equilibrium, net force must be zero, na?
Yes, sir.
For equilibrium. So if they say this is one charge, this is one charge, at center you place another charge, net force we want zero at Q. So if I call this as 1, this as 2, this as 3, then force acting on second due to first plus second due to third should become 0. Okay? Yes, ninth
Yes,
wala
sir.
point? Right.
Done, sir.
Okay. Two typical sums are there that I am doing. If two charged particles are suspended by thread of वही है ना Maxwell sum. Yes. Can you see 16 sum from that sheet? Can you see that 16th one?
Yes, sir.
Be a typical sum है. Two pitballs carrying equal charges are suspended from common point by string of equal length. The equilibrium separation between them is R. Now the strings are clamped rigidly at half the length. So this becomes half vertical distance. And this distance is R dash, suppose. Then what is between the two ball now becomes equilibrium separation between the ball will now become how much? This is the question. So at equilibrium, forces acting are weight and electrostatic force. If this angle you take theta, this distance will be R by 2. This angle will be also theta. So can I say tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And tan theta is r by 2 upon y will become Fv upon mg, equation 1. For second one, r dash by 2 divided by y by 2 will be equals to same electrical force. No, electrical force will be in terms of r we want now. 1 second. So r upon 2y is k q square upon r square into mg. Therefore, r cube upon 2y is k q square, or 2 also I'm taking this side, upon mg. Have you followed this equation? First one.
Yes, sir.
See, q is same, mass is same, so right hand side will remain same. Now for this, r dash cube upon y is y by 2 equals to kq square 2 upon mg, equation 2. So now I can say, therefore r cube upon y is 2 times r dash q upon y. So r dash q will become r cube upon 2. Taking cube root, r dash is r upon cube root of 2. This is the answer. Sum number 16 from sheet. Sum number 16. One minute, just copy, 1 minute, I'll be back. Yeah. Completed?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. One more typical sum is there, that also we are doing, then I'm explaining further. 1 second. So I'm not able to search here. One sum is there. I'm just writing it. If charge is leaking at constant rate, then velocity at distance x are related as what? That means if these two are two charged surfaces, when they start leaking the charge, then they approach each other. That means repulsive force slowly will reduce. Then at any instant, if distance between them is x, then what is relation between that velocity of approach and x? This is the question. Have you followed information first? Charge is q,
Yes, sir.
charge is q, they are repelled. Then charge starts leaking at constant rate. Then at certain position x, what is velocity of approach? So at some position, if this is theta, this distance is, let us take x. So can I say tan theta, same concept, electrical force Fv upon mg is tan theta. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but k q square upon distance x square into 1 upon mg. Tan theta is same as sin theta, we can write for smaller angle, and sin theta will be opposite x upon adjacent side L, which is constant length of string, equals to k q square upon x square mg. So we get k q square into upon mg into this L equals to x cube. Just copy this much. So this is actually q square proportional to x cube because rest all are constant. So q proportional to x raised to 3 by 2. dq by dt is proportional to 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1, that is half, into dx by dt. Because we are not differentiating with respect to x but by t. So extra dx by dt. Clear? 3 by 2 x 3 by 2 minus 1 will become half, okay?
Yes, sir.
Into
Yes,
dx
sir.
by dt. Now 3 by 2 is constant. This is constant. And so we can say constant is proportional to x raised to half into v. So v is proportional to x raised to minus half. This is the answer. Followed or you have doubt?
Can you explain the end part again?
This one, the end part, this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, constant, v comes here. So it will become x, x comes here, anything you can bring any side. So can I say v is constant upon x raised to half? Half goes up, minus half.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
can you explain the part from dq by dt?
Derivative wala part.
हाँ.
Acha. See, they have given charge is leaking at constant rate. So I want rate of loss of charge, which is dq by dt.
Yes, sir.
अभी ऐसा हो गया. This way we got ना q proportional to x raised to 3 by 2. ठीक है? अभी when you differentiate with respect to time, तो इसका power 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 into dx by dt will come. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
This thing is constant rate. So constant is proportional to, this is constant, constant upon constant, directly constant. X raised to half. And this is velocity v dx by dt.
Yes, sir.
So v becomes constant upon x raised to half. That means x raised to minus half. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Now I think clear.
Yes.
Now intensity ka there are many formulas that I am giving you one by one. Nearly 12, 13 formula. Please remember that I am writing all. Okay.
Sir, in the last sum, we took tan theta as sin theta just because the angle was small, right?
Whenever angle is small, because we were not knowing what is adjacent side, na?
Okay, sir.
But length is constant, that we know of the string.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So for smaller angle, you can write tan theta is same as sin theta. I was telling intensity formula. 11th है ना ये? For point charge. What is E? Is it 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square?
Yes.
Outward for positive, inward for negative.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. For dipole. For dipole at axis E equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. It is in direction of p bar. At equator E is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught p upon r cube. It is in direction opposite of p bar. Okay, these two formulas clear? Axis equator,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
direction be important है, same direction opposite direction.
Done, sir.
Okay. At any point electric field due to dipole, comma, E equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught p upon r cube 3 cos square theta plus 1, and direction tan alpha is given by half of tan theta. Theta is angle between line joining O and that point P. This is theta, and E resultant E is making angle alpha with OP.
Done, sir.
So we did point charge, we did electric dipole, now distributed charge we'll do. So total we got 4 formulas. Force upon charge I didn't give, that is very basic one. In case you forget, write that also. E is force upon charge. Next one. Electric field due to charge distributed on thin conductor. Charge is distributed on thin conductor at point P at a distance A. Near this conductor of length L, we want electric field K lambda upon into 1 upon A minus 1 upon A plus L. Lambda is charge per unit length. Right, this formula. If this comes now, it will be directly formula based.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Electric field due to charge on semi-circular conductor at center O is given by 2k lambda by R. Next, electric field due to charge on half of semicircle E is k lambda by R. Then electric field due to arc subtending angle alpha, comma E equals to 2k lambda by R sine of alpha upon 2. हाँ जाए चलेगा ना, हाँ, कल सुबह अपन जाएंगे इसमें ऐसे करूँ भी चलेगा ना, अभी तो मिल रहा है ऐसे हाँ ठीक आ जाने दो हाँ वो कर जाएंगे आप बता किन फ्लोर पे दिए किन किन साइड 22% मिल गया हाँ Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is intensity at perpendicular distance of thin charged surface. At this point, it will have two component. One is along, other is perpendicular. So parallel wala is EY and this is EX. This is charged uniformly. So E perpendicular. E perpendicular is actually EX. Is K lambda A angle subtended by this. At top is suppose theta 1, at bottom it is theta 2. So K lambda by distance A inside sine of phi 1 plus sine of theta 1 theta 2. Then E parallel will be K lambda by A into cos of theta 2 minus cos of theta 1. Okay, done now?
Yes, sir.
Electric field on the axis of charged ring, comma, E equals to KQ x upon R square plus x square raised to 3 by 2. For hollow conducting or non-conducting and solid conducting sphere at point outside E is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by r square. On surface E is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by capital R square. Inside E equal to 0.
Done, sir.
Okay. For solid non-conducting sphere. Here rho equals to charge per unit volume at outside. See, outside surface formula will remain same. A is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by r square. On surface, A will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by capital R square. Third, at any point inside, E equals to rho r upon 3 epsilon naught. Write this. See, rho means nothing but charge upon volume, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Done?
Yes, sir.
Then electric field due to thin charge cylinder. See, nothing given means you will take hollow, which can be conducting or non-conducting or solid conducting. ये तीन के लिए एक ही फॉर्मूला है. So E is lambda upon 2 pi r epsilon naught at outside. On surface, same, lambda upon 2 pi capital R epsilon. Inside, 0. For solid non-conducting at any point inside, because rest all are same. Rho r upon 2 epsilon naught.
Done, sir.
Electric field due to plane sheet of charge. Plane sheet of infinite charge. E equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. All electric field I have given you the formula.
Done, sir.
Now, since I have done all electric field, that sheet which I have given, there are total 142 sums in electric field and potential. 142 are there. Electric field and force. Try to complete today 1 to 75 and tomorrow all. That means by Wednesday everything should get over. एक मिनट आपको प्लानर लिख देता हूं तो फिर कंफ्यूजन आएगा. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday today you are having test. Plus 1 to try till 50. I think 75 overload होएगा. Then 51 to 100 and here 100 to 142. That means till end. This is for electric field and force. Then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday में electric potential and capacitance. एक minute, sums कितना I'm just checking. As per that, again that also I'm giving you. एक second. Total sums are 194 in that. So here if you start 1 to 60, 61 to 120, 120 to 194. And Sunday revision of any backlog. Revision or backlog. And Monday you will have test on only electrostatics. Coming Monday. Only electrostatics. Is it understood with you all properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just write down in case you forget what to practice.
Done, sir.
So today we stop here. Please practice all the sums so that in case you find any difficulty, regularly I will be able to clear those doubts. So today we stop here. Tomorrow we'll meet again, same time.
Thank you, sir.